Hello. We are gonna go for a walk with Teddy. Say hi, Ted. Welcome to Everyday with me and Ted. We're walking to the park. Well, not the dog park. The human park. And I can't wait. And Teddy's sniffing a bush. Okay. Ted stopped sniffing the bush. I don't know why I said snuffed. It's just interesting. Ted, show them your big butt. Or his big hairy butt. He's just marking the territory with his Ted Nature Walk. I love Ted's nature walk with us. I've been seeing so many moths. Oh, I keep calling it moths. Interesting. Ted, hello. Come here. Just get. Come here. Go show them your awesome, beautiful face. Yeah, you're not focused, are you? Okay, let's keep walking. I just like how it's nice and quiet, except for that neighborhood over there. So nice and quiet. It was steep for the first few minutes, but now it's getting less steep. I like how this looks like my pathway to my school. Like we have this little pathway, that wood part there. That wood part. We have that part that separates the walkway from like plants and stuff. Teddy, are you serious? Do you have to step in the bushes now? Right now. Okay. Well, I love Teddy. I also love my cat Dippy, especially when they cuddle. It's just so cute. I like how Teddy has his new purple collar on. A newer purple collar. It's not really new. It's just a purple collar that's newer than his other teal one. He's just so cute. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.